this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone that has a black screen. Now this could be an actual easy fix. So the first thing you want to try is just plug in your charging cable like this. A lot of times your phone runs out of battery and it just is so drained of battery that it's going to have a black screen for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So just plug this charging cable in. And then try different charging methods as well, maybe the wall outlet, try maybe connecting to a computer or something like that, or maybe even trying a different cable just to see if you can get it to charge. Now another reason why this could be completely black is your screen is frozen and is a black screen. So you want to force restart your phone. Then go to the side button right here and choose the button that's closest to it. So this is going to be the volume down. Now sometimes the volume keys are beneath this power button. So whatever button is closest, so if it's beneath it, press the volume up. So I'm going to press the one that's closest, and on my phone is volume down. So let's do this now. Hold both the power button and volume down at the same time, and this will force restart your phone. So after about 5 to 10 seconds, the phone screen should turn off. And then I can let go once I see it flicker or something happens. And here's the logo of my Samsung phone. So go ahead and just try this out and see if this works for you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.